The cutest babies of the world's most dangerous animals, so rare that you actually need luck just to see them. And dude, the last animal's baby. Only one person out of millions ever gets to see it. Number 1. Penguin. Penguins are easily ranked among the cutest animals on Earth. They mostly live in icy, frozen regions. What's surprising is how quickly they bond with humans. But as cute as penguins already are, their babies are 10 times more adorable. Dude, once someone sees a baby penguin even once, I swear it's impossible to look away. Before we move on, if you love Jesus Christ, make sure to like and subscribe and comment on it. Let's find out how many people here truly love Jesus Christ. Number 2. Rabbit. Rabbits are already so cute that people are willing to do anything just to keep them as pets. But if you see a baby rabbit even once, you instantly fall in love with their innocence and beauty. Tiny, soft, and so cute that your heart automatically fills with happiness.